about. Let's enjoy life with class and style for the long ride. Cause we ride as one. Iisang daan, yan ang laging tandaan. Nakafocus sa bawat kalsada.